Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Poppy.
Hey sis, I am back with another video, and this video is a haul. Now in the haul, which I wanted to put a disclaimer that my hair is going to look different in between this haul because I did record the outfits or the different packages that I received at different times. So the first part of the haul, I'm going to have my natural hair. Then the second part, you're going to see this. But I wanted to do a cute little summer haul for you guys to see. This summer haul is going to be a mixture of Pretty Little Thing, Fashionnova, as well as, what else do I have in this haul? I think I also have H&M. But I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get straight into this haul, sis. Okay, so the first outfit is going to be this pretty blazer. I'm gonna pair it with this belt, which I'm gonna get close so you guys can see the detail on the belt. It's like a vine kind of gold. It's really pretty. You can see the kind of the pattern on this blazer dress. So first of all, one thing about me is I love a blazer. I don't know what it is. I think blazers are so sophisticated. Like, you can dress a blazer up, you can dress a blazer down, you can do a little bit of everything with a blazer. So yeah, this is what this is looking like, and I love it. Okay, so the next outfit is this romper. I'm not a fan of this romper at all, so I think I went too small on this romper. I'm trying to think what size it was. Doesn't tell me. But as you guys can kind of, but it has this cool little detail here. It's just so dope. I had a cute idea for an outfit, but it's just not, it's just, you know, it shows everything. Hey, everything, every little lump. Yeah, it's a no for me. Next outfit is this beautiful two-piece set. Oh my god, I love this. Like, it just looks so classy. It makes the girls look classy, not like, hello, I'm out there. It looks like more like, hi, I'm out there, but respect me. Like, I love the skirt and the top. This outfit actually also comes in blue as well. This is a Pretty Little Thing fit. I like it. It's adorable. So next up is this. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the shirt. It's a boxy white shirt. I don't mind the shirt. It's a crop top. The skirt is what I'm having an issue loving. I don't love this skirt. I don't know how I feel about this skirt. It's paper thin. When I tell you this skirt is paper thin, I'm gonna get up closer. I'm gonna get up closer. This skirt is literally paper thin. Like, there's no structure to this skirt at all. It is like completely like, just like you can smack yourself if you feel it. That's how thin it is. It's like, I don't know the type of material this is. I feel like it feels like linen. That's how paper thin this skirt is. I had a look in my mind for this skirt. I think I'm gonna still do it. But yeah. So this is this outfit, you guys. So the next outfit is this. I adore this. First and foremost, it's a two-piece. I did go up in sizing for the top because y'all know I'm top heavy. This, I got my regular size. I got a size 18 in this. And then I got a size 20 for the top. And even with that, a piece of my bra is still peekabooing. But this is one of my padded bras. I think if I wore my balconette bra that has no padding, it'll fit better. But it's a knit material. You can tell like the person took their time to knit this. This is a beautiful piece of work. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can really see it. So it has a little fringe, but it is all knitting, you guys. Like, this is all knitting. It is so beautiful. Like, I like it. It's like, it just feels summer. Like, it's like, and it forms the body. That's what I really like. It forms the body. I'm feeling this. Like, it even makes my booty look a little big from the bed. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. But yeah, this is definitely a 10-10 in my book. So next up is this beautiful green Oliver dress. I got this dress in a size, I think 18. It has some extra, I have extra like space in this dress, and it fits perfectly, but as y'all can see, since I'm so top heavy, it's not doing me no justice. Like, I feel like maybe I could wear it without a bra, but, and it has like a little peekaboo effect here, but this dress is beautiful, and the color is everything. It's giving me very much so fall, but I'm not mad at it. Like, I'm not mad at it. But yeah, so this is this. So this is the blazer. Like I said, it's pretty big. This is what it's looking like. It's oversized. It has shoulder pads. I've been obsessed with shoulder pads since my mom was wearing blazers and shoulder pads when I was younger. So, like, it's nothing for me to wear shoulder pads. I don't care. I thought that was like a cool trend back in the day. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. You know, I got to pose for y'all so you can really get the full effect. I might wear it with this outfit, but I have not decided what I'm going to do yet. But so far, I do like this and this together. So we'll see. If this isn't by far the cutest little dress ever. I love this dress. And if you don't like your back fat, I'm gonna let you know right now. It's gonna show everything. Yeah, this is by far one of the prettiest dresses. I'm not gonna flex. I really wish up here fit better. It does not. The dress feels great from the bottom down, but up here it is suffocating. I feel like I can pull it off if I wear no bra. I'm gonna try that later. But I'm in love with the color. Let me get closer so I can see the color. Look at this. Look at that color. Look at this green. Wow, it's so pretty. The color is beautiful. It's such a beautiful dress. Just beautiful. I adore this dress. And it has like a little frill at the bottom. It just gives me like a feminine vibe about this dress. The dress gives me femininity. I love it. I know you guys are probably gonna be like, what in the world do I have on with these pants? So this is a beach cover-up. These pants, I have a look in my head for these pants that I'm about to show. Ooh. So I have a look in my head for these pants. I love the disco vibe, 70s flavor that these bring. These are completely mesh and see-through. It is not regular pants. But you can probably wear both of these to the beach, honestly, because this. I bought this too big, but you can really probably wear both of these to the beach. These are tights, but I bought them too big so they don't look the way I want them to look. But we're gonna make them work anyways. So yeah. So my next outfit is a combination of this cropped button-up plus this mesh bodysuit. Now, I'm not going to turn around because it is a mesh bodysuit. I'm not going to open this much because it is mesh. So, this is what the pattern looks like. It's actually really pretty. It's like a red black. So I have an idea for this bodysuit, but I'm just trying to put it all together in my head to see if it looks good. But this is what it's looking like. If you don't mind being completely naked, this is probably an outfit for you. Not the shirt, but the bodysuit. But I'm going to come up with something different for this bodysuit. But yeah, I just wanted to also show it. So I know you guys are probably going to say, another blazer? Yes, another blazer. I love blazers. Like, I realize like that's my thing. Like, I don't know if it's a combination of my mom, Carrie from Sex and the City, Kim Kardashian has made me love blazers. But yes, this blazer is in a brownish tint. So I'm gonna move up so you guys can see. Beautiful brown. It is oversized because I like my blazers oversized, not tight, because I can adjust it up or down. So yep, this is this blazer. So this top is so pretty. I love the color. It is see-through as well and mesh, but this is so, it's just so pretty. Like, it is high neck, but it's so pretty. I love this top. Okay, so next up in the haul is this cute bathing suit that I got from Fashionnova. So it is a two-piece. I really been feeling like wearing this top as a shirt instead. I actually like it. It comes off. It looks like a shirt. And I'm sorry for my lighting if it's a little too dark, you guys. But it straps around, and then you have your cute little bathing suit bottom. So personally, I like this bathing suit. I think it's really cute. This one is from Fashionnova. So next up is this high-waisted pants. It has multiple buttons. I was too lazy to button them all because of my nails. And then this cute top. I love this top. It's long sleeve. I have no bra on right now, and if y'all can see, it is holding up the girls fine. I got this in a 2X. This is how the back looks. It goes pretty far down. And I'm going to show you a better look of these pants. I never was a fan of high-waisted pants, but now I actually like them. Like, I feel like it made my booty look just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you what the pants look like. This is what the pants look like. I actually adore these pants. They're so super duper cute. I'm going to show you what another pair of pants I bought look like from Fashionnova. Okay, so I got these pants in my regular size. For the other pants, I did size up to a size 20. Luckily I did because it was a bit tight. This one, I kept the size 19 because it was considered a boyfriend jean, but they're still too big. It has this cool thing on the back where the butt part goes low, and then it has some strings. But this is so unflattering on my butt. My butt looks super duper flat, so I'm returning these. But yeah, they're just too big. Like, they're huge. Look at all this space. For it to be more my size, I could have went down to a size 16. But yeah, that is it for my haul, you guys. I do apologize for any of the lighting issues. I am planning on taking all of my lights out of their boxes and finally putting them up because I can't keep going off of the lights from outside. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all liked the haul. Leave y'all comments. Tell me what your favorite outfit was.